happily serving our community and more. Once located at 913 West Las Tunas Drive in San Gabriel, California, we have moved. Yes, we have moved to better serve you and to serve you better. At Tanner Sew and Vac, sales, repair, and more, and more, and more. Now serving you even better in the historic San Gabriel Valley, it's the Vac Assassins. Located at 225 West Fairview Avenue in San Gabriel, California. Once again, that's 225 West Fairview Avenue in San Gabriel, California. Call us at area code 626-289-1325. Once again, 626-289-1325. Or take a look at us online at tannervacandsew.com.